She laid an egg right in my hand like,
oh, breakfast. Ow.
We are here with a chicken and a dog. It looks like the dog wants to eat it. Soft, soft, soft. Whack, 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 whack. Can you take a video? The chicken just like, I'm suspicious about something.
Go bite you.
Grace, go poop on you. Go poop on you. That's even worse than bite. Go. She's the one with the sharpest beak.
Say hello to the camera.
Oh, by the way,
Say hello.
if you don't mind, I carried this in.
Look like the eagle now.
You're right.
Arching your back.
Now she still wants chicken. You smug.
Okay, let's start heading up.
Smug. You smug. I'm gonna throw you.
No. Okay. Let's go. This one is not to eat.
Yes.
Yet. Yet. Ow. Can I lick your beak, please?
Chicken's like, baby. The chicken is just like,
I have a boyfriend. His name is Nugget, but he passed away, so I guess. Okay. Mwah. No! We'll kiss her? No! We'll kiss her? No! We'll kiss her? No! I'll do it. Okay, do it.
not there, the beak. I'll kiss it on the butt though.
Let me see the butt. I want to see the butt. I always wanted to see the